we are gonna cruise up the road. Let's go over here. Cruise up this ridge line. Cool. Let's see if there's anybody up here right now. There actually could be jeepers. Totally a thing. Not seeing anyone up here. Come on, it's got it. It's Saturday night. Okay, oh, there we go.